Welcome to my new course module, Jenkins from zero to master and become a DevOps engineer. Nowadays, Jenkins tool is becoming very demanding, powerful and flexible automation tool. It is used to automate almost everything. It is an open source, continuous integration, continuous delivery and deployment automation tool, which is written in Java programming language. Jenkins support more than hundreds of plugins to provide building, deploying and automating any project. It is used to implement CI/CD workflows, which is known as pipelines. So in this course module, I have tried to cover almost all topics of Jenkins right from very basic to intermediate level. And if you'll complete this course module with proper dedication and sincerity, then you can easily boost up your career. You can also apply for a job and you will get a job. My name is Shikhar Verma and I am the instructor of this complete course module. I have been in the IT industry for more than 14 years. My passion is to create online courses. I have been teaching over to 65,000 students online. I teach in a very simple language. I don't assume that you know little bit or more about this topic. I actually hold your hand every step throughout this course module. So let's see what is the course content which I am going to teach in this complete course module. Here we have the detail about this course module. So let's see the requirement. One should have the PC or laptop with internet connection. You should have some motivation to learn DevOps. Few softwares are required like Oracle, VM VirtualBox. You can also use VMware Workstation. And here I am going to use the Ubuntu operating system. So let's have the content of this course module. So I will start with the introduction. In the introduction, I will discuss about the Jenkins tool and then I will show you how to do the setup of this course module. So once you have the setup, then it would be easy for you to start learning the Jenkins. So first section will only help you to create your own setup and then you can start learning about the Jenkins. The next is about Jenkins. Here I am going to create a first job and then I will discuss what are the different options that we have in the Jenkins, where we have the panels, where we have the plugins, how to manage the Jenkins and from where we can configure the system. In simple words, in this section we'll learn about the Jenkins dashboard. The next is user account in Jenkins. So that's a very important section here. So here I am going to create a user account in Jenkins and also we'll discuss about the role-based authorization strategy in Jenkins. And we'll do few lab sessions here as well. The next is how to integrate GitHub repository to your Jenkins project. So in this section I am going to clone the Git project using the terminal as well as Jenkins shell and will show you how to delete workspace before build starts. The next section is very important, that is the build triggers. So here I will discuss how we can trigger our build automatically and what are the different ways we can do it, like authentication token, like from scripts remotely. So all these things I am going to discuss in this section. The next is also important. Here we have the environment variables or global environment variables. The next is build environment in Jenkins. So this is the most important section of this course module. So here I am going to discuss about the build environment, like parameterized jobs in Jenkins, what are the different ways to define the jobs in Jenkins, how to set the timeout, and a lot of things we'll discuss in this section. The next is build pipeline. So that's also important. So this is a plugin. So with the help of this plugin, you can create your own build pipeline. The next section is how to deploy build artifacts to the Tomcat server. So first I will show you the manually and then I'm going to deploy the package, that is your war file, to the Tomcat server using the Jenkins. So this is what I'm going to cover in this entire course module. I hope you are going to join this course module and if you have any doubts, let me know. I will be here to help you. You can write your query, your concern, your suggestions to the question answer forum of this course module. Still, if you have any concerns, you know the policy, 30 days money back guarantee. So bye bye, take care and let's learn together.